industry was the first industry to unlock Goa way back in August. In fact, many of the hotels started in Goa because of film industry. They started having a film shootings in Goa, and that is the reason how Goa got unlocked from 1st August. So that was a major industry which helped to unlock Goa. Secondly, right now also the business which is there, which is survival, is because of this industry supporting the tourism sectors, different tourism sectors in Goa. It may be transport, hotels, or any tourism related sectors are being supported by this industry into Goa. This industry roughly employs in Goa around 2,000 plus in junior artist activities around the year. So 2,000 plus people are directly, indirectly just associated as a junior artist because of this industry. We have roughly around right now 30 line producers. You can imagine few years back there were just 2 or 3 players who as a line producer. We have 30 line producers, and presently we have in Goa, I believe, 15 to 17 shootings going on. It may be film related or it may be television related. It may be Bollywood or it may be Tollywood. Like across India, all industries, Goa, they have made their home in these COVID times. This industry not only supports hotels, it supports transport industry, it supports food industry, it supports generators which are hiring job generator industry, pandals, transport and so on. So a lot of Goans get business because of having this industry in Goa. Abusing chief minister is not a good language. Similarly, thrashing up the people who are giving business to Goa it's very bad, and we Goans are supposed to be hospitable, and tourists come to Goa for our Atithi Devo Bhava nature. Now few miscreants cannot spoil this image of our Goa. So let's be very, very clear that things what has been happening, it is uncalled for and it should stop immediately. We welcome government has taken some few action. They have just started taking yesterday. I think they should not stop here, and for once for all, government should be firm on these stands, and we welcome what they have, government stand what they have taken, but it should not stop here. They should be firm on their action, because this menace is going for years together, and it is high time that we put full stop to this menace. It is high time that this transport industry is regulated by putting meters and using technology. Let customers select mode of transport they want. There cannot be force on someone that you have to use particular type of vehicle only, or you have to use from particular area only. We are living in democracy, so it is bound to have a competition, and competition is here to stay. Let's be very, very clear on that part. In last few days, lot of guests were stopped. Those videos are viral, which you are aware of it. So we thought enough is enough. The government should act, because if we don't act now, let's be very, very clear, once things starts opening up in next 15 days, 20 days or 1 month's time, we are going to have a lot of negative publicity, and the people coming to Goa will decrease drastically. And it will not affect only taxi drivers, but it will affect all the industry relying on tourism industry in Goa. And as you all are aware, 40% of the people in Goa directly, indirectly depend on tourism industry in Goa. Just 300 to 400 people taking Goa at ransom is not called for. One of the app-based operator in Goa has almost 2,500 registered vehicle under him. These all are Goans. That app-based has a GTDC, that is Goa Tourism Development Corporation, is a part of it. All drivers are Goans. Without badge, they are not been allowed to be part of that system. So this is against the 300 to 400 people who are opposing. We have this system, and there are many more who don't want to come in open because of different reasons, which lesser we talk, it is understood why they don't want to come out in open in the support. So these taxi drivers are also locals. The guys who got thrashed yesterday were also locals. So I think I think we are missing out on something. I think it's high time the action is taken. Let's be very clear that we are living in the free world and we are living in democracy and not banana republic. So it cannot be my way or highway. It is high time that we all stand united and this for once for all and have the rule of law been implemented to the fullest, and let there be, let everybody know that 99% of the people in the Goa want support of the regulated system of operational to iron out this this taxi menace in Goa. With these few words, once again I welcome each one of you, and I request now Line Producers President Sandeep to say a few words.
Hi, thank you Nilesh for having a meeting with us, and we have gone through the very bad phase since last few days, and now things are getting properly organized. Firstly, in August we started when the new SOP was presented by government. We are following all the SOPs right now. All the line producers have been following the SOPs, and that's the reason why things were moving. Since August we started the shoots. There were no issues or anything. All of a sudden this issue has come, and it was very much surprising for us. Till now we never faced such type of issues during the shooting times. I do hereby request Mr. Atif to speak up.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of TTAG, we have made our stand, Travel and Tourism Association of Goa. My president has missed out on certain points. I'll just quickly run through them. We have made our stand very clearly. We are not looking to make this a battle against Goa versus outsider, technology versus not technology, all that. We just want the best interest of the consumer, which in this case is the tourist or the local in terms of taxis, to benefit. We have always looked for, the only thing we have looked for is for transparency and for fixing of rates, whether it is by meter or any other method. Okay, because the rates are fluctuating too much, and this gives an overall bad reputation and a bad name to the overall business and the overall industry in Goa today. The second thing is we are in 2021, and we have to go for a tech push. Without embracing technology in the 21st century, I think we are just going to be left behind, and it's going to be a disastrous thing for Goa if we start bowing down to pressure tactics to ban technology, ban aggregators. On the other hand, our stand at TTAG has been to invite more aggregators, some of the bigger players into the state to compete with the present aggregator which is there in Goa just now. So we think that competition will increase the level of service, it will increase the level of transparency, and those who are willing to work at responsible levels of pricing will benefit in this kind of a climate. What is happening over the last few days is like the 14-15 day, I cannot keep track on their strike, which has been hugely unsuccessful, barring one or two incidents. Business has gone on as usual in Goa. We have been operating, many of my colleagues in the organized sector have been operating, but now these taxi unions and TTAG, another thing we have said is we have refrained over the years, over the decades that we have this issue has been there. We have refrained from using terms like mafia, gunda. We have consistently advised and encouraged people not to use these terms because then it becomes, there is no solution once we start name calling. So we as an association have completely stayed away from using these words for these taxi operators. So the 14-15 day have started now, 15-16 days has started, but with the incident that happened with our colleague here, Francis, shows that they cannot stay away from violence. They have said over the 15 days that they are going to stay away from violence, they are not going to take the law into their own hands, but it obviously seems like it is a drug for them. They are going to violence, and the situation is going to go out of hand. if the government and the Honorable CM don't take the necessary action. So we urge him to please listen to our complaints and register our complaints when our executives go to the police station and our drivers go to the police station. Another thing we would like to highlight is now they've started coming in new ways of stopping our business. They are coming on two-wheelers, they are coming walking, they are sending women folk and taking down our numbers of our cars and drivers, and and that type of intimidation is going on. So this is a new kind of Naxalite way, if I may, of attacking our drivers and attacking our business. And lastly, we feel that this is a problem that is created because they don't want to embrace technology. They do not want to regulate the fares by putting meters, and this is an internal matter which has happened, wherein one taxi driver has diversified and bought renter cabs, bought renter scooters along with his taxi which he operates. So what is happening is that he himself has axed his own foot in a way, and they have realized that people prefer to drive their own cars, like many other places in the world when you are on a holiday, and are not taking the services of the taxi. So they don't know where to vent this anger and this frustration, and they are taking it out on the organized sector and members who are from this Land Producing Association of Goa and our own TTAG. So these are the points that I would like to highlight, and we again urge the Honorable CM to please help us and register our complaints and help to maintain law and order. I'd like to pass to Mr. Shiva Baba Naik. Can somebody pass the mic?
Good evening. I will like to emphasize only on one point. Like film industry since August, there are a lot of shootings have started coming from Mumbai and China and all over the India, where we are the one who have been instrumental in giving jobs to various sectors. Like one shooting means we cater to almost more than 25 to 30 sectors, including hardware, including junior artists, catering, taxis. Now, due to this taxi strike, what has been happening is we are getting difficulties in getting the taxis, where we have to request our friend to give their private cars to operate our shooting. Now, one message I like to send it to our taxi brothers, taxi union brothers: just because you have stopped your business, you can't force somebody else to stop his business. म्हाका माझे पोट भरूंक जाय आनी म्हाका दुसऱ्यांचे पोट भरूंक जाय, because they are also surviving on a daily wages. Secondly, film industry, one you have to note, film industry is not an event, or a shooting is not an event or an entertainment. Government of India has given the film industry the status of industry, and as per government law, no industry is banned in Goa or anywhere else. So person who is coming on the set, everybody is being paid on a daily wages. So it is an industry, it is not an event where I am calling people to entertain. It is as good as people going to industry for a work and coming back. So you have to keep in note. So I will like to request our taxi union ki don't take law in your hands. Yesterday's incidents, it happened. They came on the set and tried to trash the vans, and it is sending a wrong message to everybody. The hotels have been shutting now because the tourists are not coming. And if you stop film industry also, then everything will be gone. Thank you. I will pass on to Mr. Sukrija.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for showing up today. Basically, I'm going to speak on behalf of hotels for TTAG. Now, if we look at what has happened since COVID started, there were, I think, at that time around 4,000 hotels which are registered with the tourism department. Only 1,200 hotels, I think, have opened out throughout the year. So only 30% have opened. And even this 30%, People like us have done only 30% of the business we would do in a normal year. So consider the foreign market has disappeared. There has not been a single charter this year. The domestic market is now starting to decline tremendously, and the film business is one of the few businesses which is operating. Now it's all very well that none of us, as a hotelier, it's great for me if I say I don't want any more hotels, don't open. But is it fair to the other person who comes in the game and wants to open? You cannot insist that there is no competition. Competition is going to come, and you have to have a level playing field to work with it. So what is basically happening with the taxi industry is they want a cartel. They want only we will operate, we will fix the prices. They want no regulation, and they want to force the customer to accept their vehicle only. And so all this has been experienced by TTAG and its members throughout for the last 20 years, even independent hoteliers. And because they've had the feet on the street, they've gotten away with this. Now with Goa Miles coming, and I'm not saying Goa Miles is the only solution. Besides Goa Miles, there should be other operators in play, Uber, whatever. There has to be competition, and there has to be some regulation on prices. Meters is a universal phenomenon. When first it was decided to have meters, they didn't want meters. Now it's finally been forced, they're agreeing to it. They're saying you don't want Goa Miles. How can you insist that a regulated entity not be put? Then they're saying no one else can do business. You're stopping the film producers today from doing business. You are not the only player in the industry. So my only request is for all taxi drivers and unions is to understand that there are various players in this ecosystem who are playing. Do not take the law into your own hand. If there are any genuine grievances, I'm sure they can be solved. Even we called them for a meeting. We came out with a white paper where we asked them to list their issues. Their issue was that we just don't want any interference in our business. We will do what we want. That is not the way that you work. So I would like to conclude by saying don't take the law into your own hands. Try and see that the industry grows, and I'm sure there will be enough business for all of us at good, decent prices. Thank you.
Good evening. I'm Dilip Borkar, one of the land producers here. ESG started issuing permissions for film shootings somewhere in the month of June. So once they started shooting, I was the first person to get a lot of business since everything due to pandemic was shut. I started with giving business to hotel like Taj, which was shut for almost 3-4 months, and I gave them business of almost 60 rooms because due to pandemic, ESG has given us certain SOPs, so we were obeying those SOPs, and only single person would stay in one room. So accordingly, we booked 60 rooms and we started giving the business. So this is a business, this kind of business we started giving not only Taj, we started giving business to other hotels like big brands like Hyatt and Country Institute, all these hotels. So this business basically gives huge amount of revenue to government, not only by way of giving rooms, as everyone said. की आम्ही जे बिझनेस जाता सगळ्यांक टॅक्सी वाल्यांक तर खूपच आसता, कित्याक हांव टॅक्सी इन वन पर्टिक्युलर शूट वी रिक्वायर एटलीस्ट मिनिमम 30 to 40 टॅक्सीज. सो हे जो टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक ह्या लोकांनी केल्लो आसा, एसोसिएशनान केल्लो आसा, सो इट इज रॉंग. देर आर सो मेनी इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी ओनर्स ज्यांच्यांनी लोन, बँकेचो लोन घेवन गाडी घेतली आसता, तांकां आपली फॅमिली पोसपाची आसता, आनी ह्या लोकांक ते ह्या एसोसिएशन जे आसा ज्याचे कडेन खूब गाडी आसता ते करता, तेच हे सगळी नाटकां करता. म्हाका दिसता तांच्यांनी तें हे जे करता पळय ते बंद करूंक जाय आनी लेट इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी ओनर्स आसा, तुमी करा स्ट्रायक तुमचो कितें आसा तो, पूण जो इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी ओनर आसा तांकां तुमी त्रास दिवंक उपकारना. तांकां जर गाडी चलता जाल्यार डेफिनेटली चलोवचें, जे तुमच्या एसोसिएशन आसा तांकां तुमी बंद करून ठेया. पूण दिस इज व्हेरी रॉंग वॉट इज हॅपनिंग फॉर वॉट वी आर हियर टुडे. As far as SOPs are concerned, we have been spending lakhs of money on SOPs. I mean, on the COVID SOPs, like giving of mask, testing every four day. After 4 days, we have been testing. I mean, we have been taking a COVID swab every 4 days. So that is there. Plus other sanitization things are there. So we are spending. I personally, if I tell you of one film, when I started first, we have spent almost 1 crore 35 lakhs only on COVID SOPs, on COVID protection this thing. So it's a huge business for all. I think we should, government should talk to taxi owners and try and sort out the issue so that we can peacefully shoot here in Goa. Thank you.
So one point also I would like to add, that ESG has been instrumental in giving us the permission after following lot of SOP formats after discussing with the government and all. And also with regards to yesterday's incident, I congratulate our government under the leadership of Dr. Pramod Sawant, who has taken a stern action to arrest Bappa for doing the, or other people for coming to the suite and doing the nuisance on the set. So I feel that this stern action should continue, not on a temporary basis, but on a forever basis. Thank you.
Next is who?
Naneshwar, Francis sir.
We request Dhaneshwar and Francis to brief you of actually what was the incident happened and how they were crashed.
गुड इव्हनिंग. त्या दिवशी एक घटना घडली 23 तारीख सांजची 4:30 जो बाप्पा कोरगांवकर जो आहा पळय टॅक्सी प्रेसिडेंट टॅक्सी एसोसिएशन तो डायरेक्ट आयलो त्या दीस भितर गेलो बंगल्यान शूटिंग करता थंय आनी आमच्या भुरग्यांक हे 3 जाणांक मारले. फ्रांसीस हो आमचो नार्वेकर आनी जे घडलें पळय तो आतां फ्रांसीस सांगतलो तुमकां कशें घडलें आनी कशें कितें जालें पळय तें.
गुड इवनिंग. त्या दिसा हांव भायर आसलो पणजे ESGन आयलो परमिशनाक. प्रोडक्शनान फोन केलो म्हाका तो लोकल कोण आयला ते मातशें येवन पळय. लोकल कोण आयला मातशें यो हांगा बेगी यो. तो अर्दे वर म्हाका लेट जाली येवपाक लेट जाली तर हांव उलयतालो आयज पावलो आनी उलयता बापारी उलयतालो हांव. तर सडनली तेंच्यांनी म्हणलें कोण व्हिडिओ काडटा थिंगा फाटल्यान हेंच्यांनी आमचे लोकलवांनी तांकां थिंगा गेले आनी तेंच्यांनी मारूंक स्टार्ट केलें. ताका सेफ करपाक हांवूय गेलो हांव आनी यो गेल्लो सेफ करपाक गेलो तर आमकांय मारलें मागीर तेंच्यांनी. टॅक्सीकारांक न्ही आमकां मारलें.
हे म्हाजे भुरगे फ्रांसीस म्हज्या कडेन काम करतात ते आमच्या टॅक्सीन. हांवूय लँड प्रोड्युसर ते लोकेशन
आमी सेट पळयता
ते प्रायवेट
आमी सेट पळयताले. मागीर ते जालें मारले दोळ्याचेर मारले आनी फाटल्यान मारले म्हणजे तकलीचेर फाटल्याच्यान कितें मारले 3-4 फावट हे मारला तेंच्यांनी कितें तें. मागीर ते उलयता मागीर ते सायडीक गेले आनी हांव अनकॉन्शियस जाल्लें. हय गाडी बिडी तर मागीर तेंच्यांनी सगल्यो गाडयो बिडी कितें आसले वॅनिटी वॅन 4 कितें वॅनिटी वॅनाचे एक ग्लास फोडला टेम्पो फोडला स्विफ्टा कितली गाडी आसली तितली फोडले तेंच्यांनी. मागीर आमी पुलिसाक आपयले. मागीर पुलीस आयले ते आसतले अरावंड 70-80 लोक आसतले आनी आमचो क्रू आसलो थिंगा सेटार एक 70-80 क्रू आसलो. टॅक्सी बॉम्बेची MH आनी 2 गोंयची गाडी फोडल्या तेंच्यांनी. MH 1, 2, 3, 4 MH टॅक्सी आसले टेम्पो आसलो आनी वॅनिटी वॅन आनी टेम्पो व्हडले आसले तेंचे सामानाचे. फाटल्यान मातशें लागलें ना टायम वचोंक मेळोंकूच ना म्हाका टायम कामाचेरूच बिजी उरलो अनकॉन्शियस जाल्लो. हय थिंगा मागीर झगडी जाली तेंच्यांनी मारले हेंच्यांनी मारले. हय आमी मिन्स ते बॉम्बेवाल्यांनी ते कितें आसा ते हय बॉम्बेवाल्यांनी सेटर तांकां मुंबयवाल्यांनी मारूंक ना.
You are taking on wrong track.
See,
Somebody attacks you. No. Somebody attacks you. Problem किती आता सांगता. आता भायली जी गाडी तेवढा MH गाडी तुम्ही म्हणता. आता तुम्ही हांगा टॅक्सी बंद दवरला. थंयच्यान कोण लोक जेन्ना येतलो लोक हांगा येतलो तांकां व्हेकल जाय पडटले हांगा. सो दे मे हॅव टेकन कम विथ देयर ओन व्हेकल्स एंड मेनी टायम्स कितें आसता कॅमेरा आसता दॅट दोज टायप ऑफ थिंग्स ते हायर करता गाडयेन येता. सगळ्याचे आपली प्रायव्हेट गाडी आसना न्ही त्या गाडयेन येता. एकदा तुम्ही वायलन्स चालू झाले वायलन्स कोणी चालू केले दॅट इज अ क्लास. मागीर कोणी कितें केलें दॅट इज अ सेकंडरी. सो वॉट हॅपन्स इज आता हो ओपनली धमकी चालू असली आझाद मैदानात सगळे जाणा तुम्ही. आम्ही 15 दीस पहिले सांगितले वी हॅड रिक्वेस्टेड गव्हर्नमेंट टू टेक ॲक्शन अगेन्स्ट सच वायोलेटर. बिकॉज एकदा तुम्ही धमकी दिता की आम्ही पळयतले आता कोण दुसरो बिझनेस करपाक येतलो आम्ही ताका बडयतले. नाव इफ दॅट ओपनली जेन्ना सांगला गव्हर्नमेंट शूड हॅव एक्टेड देन इट सेल्फ अँड पुट बिहाइंड बार्स सच पीपल. जेन्ना त्यांना ॲक्ट जावना म्हणून हो सगळो वाडलो प्रकार. आता इट इज हाय टायम दॅट गव्हर्नमेंट ॲक्ट्स अँड स्टॉप्स दिस मेनीस. बिकॉज तुम्ही धमक्यो देत उरता आणि गव्हर्नमेंट गोज ऑन लिसनिंग आणि त्याची आपुलबाई कडेच उरता. आपुळबाय करपाचें एक लिमीट आसता, तांकां कितें दिवना म्हणजे सगळ्याक बेनिफीट जाला. हांव म्हणना आतां पर्टिक्युलर दॅट मीन सगळ्याक बेनिफीट जाला. तांकां 6 मंथचे वेवर दिला. ते म्हणटा मिटराचे पयशे गव्हर्मेंटान आमी वेगवेगळ्या सॅक्टरान मागला पण खंयूच मेळना. ताणें 32 कोटी प्रोविजन केला बजेटान मिटरां दिवपाक. आपुळबाय इतकें करून आमी उलयतले तेंच्या कडेन, तुमकां कावंटर एअरपोर्टा वयलो काडटा. सी आपुळबाय खूब जाल्यो आतां. इट इज हाय टायम दॅट गव्हर्मेंट टेक्स फॉर्म, नाल्यार असल्यो मारामारी इट विल बिकम गुंडाराज इन गोवा. सो इफ यू हॅव टू स्टॉप दीस, इट इज अप टू गव्हर्मेंट. दे हॅव स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग अगेन्स्ट देम and whenever complaint is been registered, it has to be act. I will go one step further. Government should look into they should do the audit of the taxes which are there. कि कोणाची कितक्यो गाडी आसा, because here what we find there is some nexus between somewhere or other happening. Actual दिला already दिला continuous process असता. टीटीजन दिला ऑलरेडी दिला. इवन आम्ही ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टराक मंडे मेळ्ळा. Last Monday we have met transport minister also. We have also requested that audit has to be done of the taxes. Because हे म्हणता every time कितें म्हणटा की आमी गोंयकाराक भायले येवन गाडी चलयता. म्हाका सांगा आतां स्पेसिफीक येता आमचे दॅट रायट नाव द अपोजिंग इज गोवा मायल्स. आय विल गिव यू एक्झाम्पल ऑफ गोवा मायल्स. आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू नेम इट बट हियर वी हॅव नो चॉईस बट आय हॅव टू नेम देम. They have registered of 2,300 or 2,500 people under them. Now when they register, there is a process involved. You require a batch. बॅच कोणाक मेळटा? गोंयकार आसतलोच बॅच मेळटा. म्हणजे ते गोंयकार जाले न्ही. आणि हे जे म्हणटा भायले गाडी ते एक्चुअली इंडिविज्युअल एज आतिश हॅज जस्ट सेड अर्लियर. द प्रॉब्लेम इज देर इज अ कॉम्पिटिशन बिटवीन देम which is killing. Now competition is everywhere. You cannot say that we don't want competition. And technology is here to stay. Let's be very, very clear. And what we fail to understand, why government is now shying away from implementing meter. They already TTAG has gone to the court. They have been filed contempt against government. The RTO director has been fined for the contempt for not implementing the meter. Again we have gone to the court, which will come up in the hearing again. So it's high time that government also has to have the respect the law, that everybody law is same for everyone. And when government is saying, when the High Court, Honorable High Court is saying that these certain things has to be implemented. Now every time, let me finish, every time we cannot go to the court for implementing the law. If we remember, I'll just recollect, in 2008, there was a challenge of picking up the guests from the hotels. They said we will not allow X from X hotel to Y hotel, we did not allow. Then also we went got to High Court, and Honorable High Court had given a verdict that choice of selection of the transport is of the customer. So when the law is very clear, why government is shying away from implementing the law? Because if law is implemented and followed strictly, police taking action strictly with against the violator, RTO taking strict actions against the people who are not following the law, I think things cannot be out of control where it has gone now. Yes, please.
So suppose first is the last day to implement 2,000 meters. So if on that day meters are not being put, then TTJ are going to file case.
We have already filed that.
No, we have already filed the case because meters are not been implemented. There was in 2019 November and December first week. No, I am just saying they have already Honorable High Court has given the verdict to implement the meter. Goa government had given in writing that they will start implementing meter from December or January. Then unfortunately COVID incident came in, so we understand we did not stress on it. So now almost more than 18 months, 15-16 months have passed, but there is no sign of implementation of meter. Now government is saying that we are going to implement. So we hope they implement as early as possible. And let's be very, very clear. See, all I request, all our taxi operators and the transport this thing. See, सगळ्याक बिझनेस आसा. तुम्ही हे सांगू नाका, धरू नाका की बिझनेस ना म्हणून. पयलीं म्हणल्यार परत रिपीट करता की मोपा एअरपोर्ट येतलो आणि 18 महिन्यांनी 2 वर्सांनी मोपा एअरपोर्ट. कॅन यू इमॅजिन टायप ऑफ बिझनेस वीच विल बी जनरेटेड इन गोवा? कितकी हॉटेलां येवपाची आसा गोंयांत. बट if the present trend continues, everybody will shy away from Goa, and we are going to face biggest challenge of competition from our neighboring states once this COVID situation gets normalized. So in that case, we require help from all the sectors of the industry. हांवें ट्राय केलें, म्हाज्या कडेन म्हण तुमी येवचो ना. सगळ्यांनी पॉझिटिव्ह स्टँड घेवचो पडटलो. सगळ्यांनी सांगचे पडटलें की यू आर वेलकम टू गोवा. That only will take us to take it to next level or get our tourists back which are gone back. Like we, with this type of incidents, we have a lot of negative publicity even in the foreign press. Now that will hinder the foreign tourists which are likely to come in Goa once this COVID is over. So it is duty of each one of us, including the smallest chain of the industry, including our taxi brothers, to send the positive message that you all are welcome. We are here to serve. We are here to follow the system, and our thing is only one thing, that let's there be transparency. We never said we do X price, Y price. We are saying there has to be transparency, and with help of media, we want to request them to start operating and start implementing meter. I think it is going to be beneficial for everyone, and we request government that person not following the law, strict action needs to be taken, because it's high time we have to clear this hurdle in the industry which is happening for last 20-25 years altogether.
Yes, they are ready to complete the meter, but their demand is to spread Goa miles.
See, you tell me, technology, आता फाल्या आमचे सगळ्याचे दुकानां आसात, so there are shops in around Penji म्हणले example, okay, and the same goods are available online. So शॉपपर्यंत रस्त्यार येवपाचें की तुमी हांगा ऑनलायन बंद करात, आमचो धंदो हे जाता. Everybody is surviving, no? Everybody has to adopt new technology, and everybody has to come out way out to survive in that pandemic. As तुमकां सांगता, what they have to look into is giving value-added services. Like Atish has a own transport, okay? People pay premium for his transport because of the service which he gives. Once they go there, somebody is there to receive them with the proper uniform. The vehicles are clean. The water is given in the vehicle. The driver acts like a guide. So all those things are added thing which will help them to compete, earn good tips also, and overall have a good reputation for Goa as a whole.
Just to add one point, no?
Do you want to say their demand is useless?
Absolutely no, because see, technology is here to stay. Let's be very, very clear. Technology is here to stay. How we can say that we don't want technology? We are not saying Goa miles. We are saying technology. You can have your own system. Nobody is stopping you.
It is a backward demand. In 20, I've already addressed this couple of. It's a backward demand. It is a completely illogical demand, and the government should never even entertain this kind of a demand. To ask for scrapping of technology in the 21st century, the year 2021, is completely illegal. Just to add one last point, where we say that tourists and Western media and foreign media is having negative opinion about Goa. I want to just ask the press, all of you from the press who put these live streaming videos up, have you all ever gone and checked the comments in your under your video and just do a basic study and see how many locals are against what is happening in Goa today? How many locals are saying that they have been overcharged and they cannot afford taxi services in Goa, and there's a lot of high-handedness in their behavior, arrogant attitudes, etc. Kindly just do that research also and put out a report, will be great, because it's not only tourists who are suffering from this attitude, it's the locals, and you'll see that from the comments in your own Facebook pages and live videos that you all are streaming. Thanks.
We have our
excellent. I would like to introduce Sagar Gadekar. He is a taxi operator from Goa. All his taxis are individual taxi operators. And on the same day that this matter happened, he was also threatened by Bappa in his group.
ते डायरेक्ट येयले त्या शुटिंगेचे आनी म्हाका म्हणलें गाडये बंद कर, आनी हांवें म्हणलें हांव ते डायरेक्ट शुटींग थंय येयलो जे सेटाचेर, हांवें म्हणलें गाडये बंद कर. हांवें म्हणलें गाडये बंद कर. हांवें म्हणलें हांव तुमची भाडी मारिना, हांव म्हणलें फक्त शुटिंग चलयता. त्या शुटिंगाक तांकां आमी भाडी मारता आनी काय ना मला तुमकां टॅक्सी तुका चलोवंक गावचें ना म्हाका. हांवें म्हणलें टॅक्सी चलोवंक गावना. हांवें म्हणलें कित्याक लागून स्ट्रायक आहा, पूण हांवें म्हणलें हांव तुमची भाडीच मारिना, हांव म्हणलें फक्त शुटिंग चलयता. हांवें म्हणलें हांवें तुजें केन्नाच भाडी मारिना. पण मागीर तेंच्या म्हाका धमकी हें दिलें, गाडयो फोडटले म्हणलें तुजे. मागीर हांवें थंयसर गाडयो काडले आनी हांवें म्हणलें मातशें तुमी वयर घाला व्हरून. थंयसून मागीर ते थंय गेले हे शुटिंगाक.
अशें तुमच्या ह्याच्यात सारके कितकेशेच इंडिविज्युअल टॅक्सी कार आसात
कित्याक हांवें एक 3 तारखेचे एग्रीमेंट सायन केला तेजो गाडयो घालपाक प्रोडक्शनाचे ते एग्रीमेंट तेका एक 2 म्हयन्याचे एग्रीमेंट सायन केलो तेका हांवें तें सांगलें एग्रीमेंट सायन केला 3 तारखेक तुमचो स्ट्रायक म्हटल्यार मागीर जाला तरी पूण तो आयकोंक ना तेणी.
See, this time of Dadagiri has to stop. Let's be very, very clear.
थंय म्हाजे थंय आसल्यो 6 इनामां आसल्यो 3-4 विंगरी आसल्यो सो फूल गोवा रेस.
ते पोटान वन थिंग अंडरस्टँड की एज शिवा बाबान आत्तां सांगला की तोय गोंयकार तूय गोंयकार. म्हाका म्हाज्या पोटार येता हांव भुकमणीची पाळी आयला म्हूण आय वॉन्ट टू डू माय बिझनेस बिकॉज इट्स अ ट्रायिंग टायम्स. सी लेट्स टू very very clear, it is survival for everyone. It may be a taxi driver, it may be a hoteler, it may be a travel agent, or maybe a small नुस्तेकार or भाजीकार in the market. सगळ्याचो बिझनेस 50% 40% जाला because of this pandemic. Everybody has suffered financially, health wise, mentally, everywhere. So somebody कोणाक opportunity आयली like he got opportunity. सगळी गाडी त्याची असली he has hired from his friends everybody and signed the agreement because they want to deal with one person. आता person who wants to do business legitimate, how you can stop him? तुका स्ट्रायक करपा जाय तूं कर. सो गव्हर्मेंट शूड सपोर्ट बिकॉज ताकाय भायर हप्ते आसा बँकेचे, ताकाय फॅमिली आसा चलोवपाची. आतां जे स्ट्रायकार येता मे बी तांची पोटां भरला or they have other means of income. See, let's be very clear, for every one of us, it is survival. So for survival, it is, matter of support system which industry is giving to each other. Like this industry is given him a support for his taxi which was maybe closed for quite some time. Similarly, they have given support to the hotel industry. So basically, it is all changed. So main thing, तुमका धंदो करपाचो नासला, fine, we have no issues. But कोणाक धंदो करपाक जाय, you cannot threaten them. And if they are threatened, action has to be taken. गाडयो फोडल्यो, which videos were there. Where what action has been taken? जेन्ना गाडयो फोडल्यो तेन्नाच तांकां भितर उडयल्ले, जाल्यार ह्यो प्रॉब्लेमूच जावपाचो ना. So law and order has to be strictly followed, and we welcome Chief Minister was started taking action, and he should not look back for small political gain.
ब्लाइंड प्रोड्युसर गोंयान शूटिंग येता ते थ्रू तुमच्याच तर्फे जावपाक जाय, रायट?
येस लिगली
मागीर हे जो गाडयो हे लोकांक भायर साकून घेवन आयिल्ले, नो डावट ते स्ट्रायक आशिल्ली पण दुसऱ्यो गाडयो अवेलेबल आशिल्ल्यो, गोवा मायन्साच्यो आशिल्ल्यो, मागीर तुमी तांकां परमिशन कशें दिलें तांच्या गाडयो हांगा हाडपाक?
सी I'll explain you. 1 minute.
माइल्स आमी केन्नाच यूज करूंक ना. आमी लोकल्स कोणाचे आसता पळय त्यो गाडी आमी अरेंज करता, म्हणजे कोणाचे प्रायवेट टॅक्सी आसता.
तुमी केल्ले
हय, आतां आमचे सद्या ऑलरेडी चलता. आतां तूं पळय गोवा, आतां तुमचे टॅक्सी असो
म्हजो प्रश्न स्पेसिफिकली हो आसा, तांचो काल आमी तांची इंटरव्यू घेतला, तांचे म्हणणे अशें की भायल्यो गाडी आसल्यो
ना.
आणि तुम्ही आता त्या लोकांना कमी भायल्यो गाडी आशिल्ल्यो.
भायल्यो गाडी म्हणजे कितें? सी
म्हजो प्रश्न हो आसा, लाईन प्रोड्युसर जे आसा ताची ड्युटी आसा गाडी अरेंज करून दिवपाची.
ऐक हांगा जर टॅक्सी ना ऐक हांगा जर टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक आसा, इफ देर डिमांड इज 50 कार्स, वी विल से बाबा थोड्यो तरी गाड्यो तुमच्यो हाड, कारण हांगा टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक आहा. वी कांट मॅनेज सो मेनी टॅक्सीज बिकॉज इट टॅक्सी स्ट्रायक.
दुसरो म्हणटा तर नित्य तांकां गाडी लागता. तुमकां खबर आसा कितलो सिरियस आसा कोविडचो हो टायम. एक मनीस लाखो लोकांक इन्फेक्ट करू शकता. मागीर असल्या महाराष्ट्राच्या हांगा हाडून तुमी गोंयच्या लोकांक
ऑल द SOPs आर फॉलोड.
SOP is followed. We have already said.
जे झगडी जाला
ऑल द SOPs आर फॉलोड.
मास्क लावून झगडी जाला दाखवू तुका
बट ते कोण असले झगडी कोणी केला? नाही वी आर डिफरंट ट्रॅक. नो वी आर डिफरंट ट्रॅक. सी वॉट इज सगळ्यात इम्पॉर्टंट आसा, तुमकां दिसता ते म्हणपाचें सगळें बरें आसा. सगळ्या भुकमाळीची पाळी आयला सगळ्याचे गाडयो जप्त जातले.
14 लाख गोंयकारांक तुमी फळान घालता.
No, how you can say that? On what basis you are saying this? This is absolutely not called for.
Everything is stopped. Shooting is stopped.
Business
That's why the people are coming
business
here.
is very important.
What are you talking?
See, for you people to say, no, sorry. See, let's not mix up the issues. Here we are saying businesses are also important. Not. We are talking about law and order. Sorry, you are confusing things. No. You are confusing confusing things.
Why you are confusing?
You are confusing things. We are talking. We are very clear on our thought
सर
process.
तुम्ही पळय आता तुम्ही क्वेश्चन कितें केलो की तुम्ही बाबा लोकल गाडी तुम्ही यूज करता का ना करेक्ट
लोकल काहीच ना
ना ना ना आमी तुमकां
हे आता
सांग
तुझ्या असं बरं एवढे सांगला बरं he was arranged your colleague was arranged when he can arrange how can other
अच्छा तुम्ही आम्ही ऐकून तरी घ्या उलवून तरी घ्या See, एक मिनिट
शंभर गाड्या लागल्या.
नाही नाही ऐक
आम्ही गाडी घेऊन येतलेली. गाडी घेऊन येतलेली. अंगाची गाडी लागते. म्हाका सांग कसं झालं म्हणजे गोव्याची गाडी महाराष्ट्रात वचची नाही तशें जालें न्ही तू म्हणटा तशें जालें ऑफकोर्स कितें उलयता तू We are living in democracy. Gold cows are not going to Maharashtra for business.
हांव ते उलयना
ना मागीर तू कशें उलयता न्ही it is not sorry no you are confusing things.
not for you
No.
We are
I'm
confusing
saying,
things.
see,
We are confusing things.
see, you ask a question. एक मिनिट
तू सारखं उलय सारखं उलय तू who was there who was there
ऐकून घ्या बाबा
you don't talk if you want to talk you come behind the talk
एक मिनिट चलो मैं साथ में
get up if you are not anybody here you are not a
let me finish.
अनिल सर
ऐकून घ्या ऐकून घ्या माझ्या आता आमचे मेंबर्स ऐकून घे माझं just talking.
let me press conference conduct केली असं we have to answer this
See, we are answering it.
you are not come down
We have answered all your questions.
he doesn't have the right anything
No, we have apologized on his behalf. Let me finish, Mr. Lan. Mr. Lan, Paka Matsop. I apologize. Baba, ऐकून घे रे बाबा. ऐकून घे बाबा.
अनिल
बाबा, listen. Anil बाबा ऐकून घ्या. My thing is very clear. See, everybody has right to do business the way they want it. Right? आता आमचे गाडी हंपी बदामी वयता ट्रान्सपोर्ट एका टुरिस्टा खातीर गोंयची गाडी वयता तशेंच ना म्हणजे ऐकून घेता तशेंच आमची गाडयो आंबोली घाट वयतात ते महाराष्ट्रान वयता रत्नागिरी वयता गणपतीपुळे वयता फाल्यां आमी जे म्हणटा न्ही तशें केलें
नॉट दॅट पॉइंट म्हजें म्हणणें आसा जेन्ना सरकारान आमकां सांगलेलें आसा तुमी बिझनेस करा तुमच्या शिवाय दुसरो कोण करू शकना राईट
तशें सांगलें
अशें सांगलेलें
ना बिझनेस म्हणजे ना सी वी आर कन्फ्युजिंग थिंग
I'll answer that. See, for any business, there is a permission required, right? So land producer regulator ha to permission घेता shooting एक. Like tomorrow if I run a private car, I have my car, I can't operate it as a taxi, right?
No, that is an injustice, no? Yeah. That's what I'm asking.
See.
मागीर तुमकां परमिशन दिवपाचो अर्थ कितें आसा?
अरे ऐक आता सांग टुरिजमान टुरिस्ट गाईड असता टुरिस्ट गाईड कोणू जायना तो टुरिस्ट गाईडचे हे जातकूच टुरिस्ट गाईड रेजिस्टर जातकूच हे करा कोणू लायन प्रोड्युसर रजिस्टर यू आर अलाउड टू डू द शूट इट इज नॉट दॅट इंडिव्हिज्युअल लायन प्रोड्युसर इट इज द लायन प्रोड्युसर वर्ड हू आर ऑथरायज टू टेक द फिल्म शूटिंग परमिशन देर आर 30 लायन प्रोड्युसर इतको बिझनेस 99% गोंयकारांक टॅक्सी कोण हाडटा टॅक्सीच ना जाल्यार खंयचे हाडटलो अरे त्याने एक शूटिंग चला ना 50 शूटिंग चलता 50 शूटिंग हाडटा आमी हाडल्या फ्रेंडाच्यो रिक्वेस्ट करून फ्रेंडाच्यो रिक्वेस्ट करून हाडल्या
आता कॅमेरा बीन जे असता न्ही ते फ्लायटान ऐकून घ्या त्यो गाडयो असल्यो सर टॅक्सी नासल्यो आनी वी आर रेडी टू सपोर्ट लोकल वी आर थंय पण म्हाका सांग तुमी म्हणटले की वी कॅनॉट सर्व यू आता हो टॅक्सी ऑपरेटर जाता ताका तो धमकी दिता आता सगळेच बिझनेस करपाक जाय न्ही लॉ एंड ऑर्डर कॅनॉट बी टेकन इन हँड वॉट एव्हर इट इज दॅट आर इश्यूज विच कॅन बी रिझॉल्व but law and order which is there
law and order we are talking about law and order
not called for so our request is law and order has to be followed strictly sir no law no
आणि अनिल बाय 99% of the money spent by the producer in Goa is for goons who are settled here. टॅक्सी सुद्धा आम्ही घेताल्यो 100% गोंयच्यो घेताल्यो फक्त त्यांची कॅमेराची गाडी असता ती थंयसून ट्रॅव्हल करून येता ती कॉम्पॅक्ट सिटान बसलेले असता लेन्सीस म्हणून
बाकी see what's your demand see our demand it is what law and order तांकां लागला
कितें आसता question?
डिमांड कितें जाता
आमचें डिमांड काय ना, we request government to remain firm and implement the law of land. There is already a contempt against government. The government should not shy away from implementing the taximeter. Technology, for my taxi brothers request, is technology is here to stay. You can have your own system and operate through the technology. You cannot shy away from technology. And there is a level playing field for everyone. Competition is here to stay. So let's not run away from competition. Let's focus on the service and let's bring the glory of Goa back, because we require everybody's help. Once this COVID scenario comes down, because if everybody has to survive, we require help from each segment of the industry. Request the government, to the Chief Minister, to see that such incidents are tackled very firmly, which follows the examples. So next time there is a deterrent not to follow certain incidents, which will deter the image of Goa, and business in coming to Goa will get reduced because of it.
If everything happens, then what's your course of action you will take?
So, see, we have requested the government to do it. We have gone to the court, Honorable High Court. We may have to, can you imagine right now we just have the hotel industry, taxi, 400 people have come on the road. Time will not be far. There are other taxi guys also who are suffering, who are not part of, who wants technology. They will come on the road. Or other people in the industry will come on the road. Because सगळ्याच्या पोटाचा सवाल आसा. So, basically, कोण बोवाळ मारता रस्त्यार येवन येता म्हणजे that means he is not right. Let's be very, very clear. Let's follow the rule of law. Thank you.